1 year after Beijing hosted the 2022 Olympic Winter Games, enthusiasm among Chinese people for winter sports shows no sign of abating. As a latecomer in winter sports, China has been leveraging the game's legacy to become a winter sports power. Now, all competition venues are being properly used by the public and local athletes, and wide-ranging social and economic benefits are being reaped. Big Air Shogun, a Beijing 2022 Games venue repurposed from a steel mill, has been turned into an outdoor sporting resort that operates year-round.
那现在呢，我们会把冬奥会大跳台的场馆，还有4块冰是当时国家队的训练场馆，这些场馆呢，我们都会做好赛后利用，还有冬奥场馆的独特的魅力，尽情的向社会公众去进行一个最大化的展示。
The National Aquatic Center, dubbed as the Ice Cube to host the Beijing 2022 curling competitions, has been used for both elite-level sports and tourism purposes. Also, as a swimming and diving venue at Beijing 2008, the center provides swimming pools for visitors as well.
在前我们设想的冰水双区，向公众同时提供水上和冰上运动体验的承诺，算是完全落地了。
Meanwhile, people's love for winter sports has been spreading. This year, many people chose to spend their 7-day Spring Festival holiday at ski resorts.
这个就写到整个规模呀，包括场地选择呀、规划呀都不错。
山西大同过来的，这边滑雪已经滑了够2年了，才是路程要长得多，感觉挺好。
The mushrooming interest in winter sports has driven consumption in related fields. According to a recent report released by Beijing 2022 Organizing Committee, the market size of China's ice and snow industry is expected to surpass 1 trillion yuan in 2025. By then, about 5,000 schools across China are set to include winter sports in their curriculum.